In a small town, there lived a boy named Ayan. He was 16 years old and worked part-time at a grocery shop after school. His family was not rich, but they were honest and hard-working. Ayan dreamed of becoming a teacher one day, but life often made him feel tired and hopeless. Every morning, Ayan walked the same dusty road to school. He thought his life was also like that road, long, boring, and full of dust. He often asked himself, "Will anything ever change?" One rainy afternoon, while walking home, Ayan saw an old man struggling to push his broken bicycle. Many people passed by, but no one stopped. Ayan hesitated because he was late, but then he remembered his father's words. Helping others never makes you late in life. He stopped and helped the old man. They walked together slowly. The old man asked Ayan about his dreams. Ayan spoke honestly for the first time about his fear of failure. The old man smiled and said, "Life is not about reaching fast. It's about moving forward, even slowly." Before leaving, the old man gave Ayan a notebook and said, "Write one good thing you do every day." From that day, Ayan started writing. Helping his mother, studying harder, speaking kindly, small things filled the pages. Months later, Ayan won a local scholarship because of his good character and dedication. That dusty road never changed, but Ayan did. Moral: small, good actions can change your entire future. Subscribe for more interesting stories.